Oh.
Buddy.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
Edward.
Just don't, you kids.
But I like to play with the puppies.
I know you do, baby.
Dog.
Squirrel.
Squirrel. I hate those things.
I'm so cool. I'm like, ooh.
There you go, so you can control it with the camera, that way you can see it.
Got you in front of him. He's gotta know what he's doing after. Oh, that looks like that hurt. Smacks his face down on the ground over it. Yeah, he's pretty tired too.
He's like, oh, ball.
He's not as into it.
Ah!
You gotcha.
No, he didn't. It's on the head. No, stop looking at my
I
hand.
know where it's coming from. I got this.
She's
Edward.
ready. You need to go pee, baby? You just go pee.
Yeah, she wants some food.
You need to go?
No, she wants to. You want.
How's my toe?
Alright. Okay, Sam.
No.
Okay. That's enough. Come on.
Arr.
See? You can choose yourself.
Alright,
y'all.
Ed.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, she wants some of that. I smell it. Let me have some, dude.
Alright, thanks, y'all.
Yeah. Yeah.